Author's note: in this world, we are not perfect. We can only do our best. Emmanuel. Author's note: Emmanuel still isn't giving up. Since completing his first long-distance bike ride across Ghana in 2001 at the age of 24, he has competed in major athletic events, won international awards from Nike and ESPN, and carried the Olympic torch in Cairo, Egypt in 2004. He starred in a documentary about his life called Emmanuel's Gift, and he appeared on The Oprah Winfrey Show. In 2006, thanks in large part to Emmanuel's bike ride and his continued political activism, the Ghanaian Parliament passed the Persons with Disability Act, which states that people with physical disabilities are entitled to all of the same rights as the rest of the country's citizens. I am very happy for my disabled brothers and sisters in Ghana, said Emmanuel, but this is just the beginning. Today, Emmanuel continues to work on behalf of the disabled. He maintains a scholarship fund to help children with disabilities attend school, and he helps organizations distribute wheelchairs to those in need. In addition, he works closely with Ghana's government to pass laws protecting the rights of disabled citizens, and he speaks to political leaders, independent organizations, and school children around the world to deliver the message that disability does not mean inability. To find out more about Emmanuel and his activities, including the progress of the school he is building for children with and without disabilities, please visit the Emmanuel Education Foundation and Sports Academy website at emmanuelsdream.org.